Welcome to a South Florida Coastline tour, a two-part series where me and my friend take you along with us for a tour of the South Florida East Coast to show you why I love flying here. While we're in the air, I'll make sure to show you a few interesting sights and facts about the area while letting you guys enjoy the beautiful views. Our route today will have us taking off from Opa-locka, flying eastbound and following the coastline all the way down to Key Biscayne before returning northbound. Okay, let's go to the airport. Hey guys, so I'm at Opa-locka again, and it's a very nice day. The SpaceX launch just happened. Was going to go up there today and just totally missed it. But yeah, here's a life flight helicopter. Really cool. But we're not flying that today. We're flying a boring Cessna 172. So yeah. Opa-locka Tower, Skyhawk 8957 Victor is holding short of 12 at Tango 2. We'd like a departure to the east towards the coast.
November 8957 Victor, Opa-locka Tower, runway 12 at Tango 2, clear for takeoff, flight eastbound. Traffic on a 4-mile final is a Kinger, no delay.
Okay, no delay, clear for takeoff, runway 12, fly eastbound, 57 Victor. Here we go. This is usually a cool experience. Here comes the power.
Did you see that new building with the artificial
That?
Yeah.
The beach?
Yeah, the beach. Yeah.
Victor, big exchange, prove off the flight.
Big exchange approved. Thanks, 57 Victor. Yeah, I'm looking at it now.
It's pretty. It's not cheap.
Here, I'll take you over it.
I looked at it and it was around 2,100. Yeah, per month.
Let's go over Aventura,
All right.
and then we'll head southbound. Cool, huh? Yeah, you
Yeah.
can shoot some video of that if you want on my phone, or
Yeah.
get some snaps. Beautiful, huh? So right now you can see us passing over the city of Aventura, Florida, which is located right here. This city is home to the 5th largest shopping mall in the United States, Aventura Mall, which was built in 1983 and currently spans 2.7 million square feet. The mall definitely makes Aventura an interesting place to fly over, even though it is surrounded by 4 very busy airports. So we are currently passing over the mall, and it is an awesome landmark to fly over due to its incredible size. Flying over the mall really gives you a true idea of its sheer magnitude compared to seeing it from the ground. So now we're going to turn eastbound over the coast and check out the beautiful skyline of Sunny Isles while we fly the length of the beach all the way down to Key Biscayne before returning northbound to Opa-locka.
No, no, no. Fuego, fuego en mi corazón. Fuego, fuego en mi alma.
I really love flying through Sunny Isles Beach because it's one of the few places on the South Florida East Coast where you can get low and fly next to some big high rises, and it's truly an amazing view. Wow. Let's go down to 500 feet, yeah? Get a cool look at this.
This is beautiful.
It's crazy, huh? This building all the way on the right here is the Porsche Design Tower, and it's unique because it has 3 dedicated car elevators so that owners can bring their vehicles up into their apartments and showcase them in an adjacent garage. At 500 feet above the water here, we'd actually be flying lower than the heights of some of these buildings. That's insane, huh?
It is.
I've never actually flown this low. If you're curious where Sunny Isles Beach is, it's just east of Aventura.
Cool. What are we advertising today?
There's nobody on the beach.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely no
They're
one.
still closed. I thought Miami-Dade had opened though. Trump Towers?
Yep. My friend's out on his balcony? I don't think so.
Let's go knock on his door.
All these boats are jealous. Off to our right here is Haulover Park, where you can usually get to see people flying some really unique kites. This park bridges the gap between Sunny Isles Beach and the next city, Bal Harbour.
Can you believe people are going on cruise ships already?
Oh no, those guys are just parked out there.
No, but there's some people.
They're gonna open them back up. I won't be going on a cruise ship, so.
Nope, not for a while.
Okay, let's get back up a little bit here. Go full power.
Whoa.
Oh, this is amazing. It's a nice day too. It's not bumpy today. The city of Bal Harbour is home to many upscale resorts such as the Ritz-Carlton and St. Regis, and is also home to one of the last family-owned shopping centers in the United States, called Bal Harbour Shops. Gotta keep an eye out for planes. The city of Bal Harbour is located right here. So now we'll be flying over Miami Beach as we slowly make our way towards South Beach.
Lo que manda aquí la clave. Este ritmo guaguanco, esto es lo que existe. Y también está mi chamaco, nadie nos resiste. Aquí estamos bravos, la chema tan brava. Esta vida es brava, y yo también soy bravo. Por eso lo que repica son los cueros. Aquí lo que suena fuego.
This is Miami Beach that we are currently flying over, and this area makes for the perfect picture. In one shot you can capture the beach, the Port of Miami, and the downtown skyline all in one shot. So Miami's airspace starts at 1,500. Right, so we just want to stay at 1,000, just give us a comfortable distance away from that.
So we're at what, 1,000?
1,100, right? It's like a clock. This big arm, the small arm is the thousands, and this one is the hundreds. You want to get a shot of Miami for me? I have the flight controls.
Copy.
Get some of the skyline. That'd be cool. Here you can see us now passing over South Beach, which is located here, just south of Miami Beach. Right beside the end of South Beach here is the canal that leads into the Port of Miami. If you're flying at the right time, you might get to pass over a cruise ship going through. This is Fisher Island, which is only accessible by ferry, boat, or helicopter, and in 2015, Fisher Island had the highest per capita income of any place in the United States. This island really makes for a stunning shot when viewed from the air. Yeah. This is Key Biscayne down here. This is the end of South Beach, right? That was it back there. There's the port. That's Key Biscayne. This is where like Ultra was or something. If I'm correct.
Over there. Right at that spot.
Yeah, were you there?
No.
No?
I don't like going to places.
Yeah, I've never been to one of those.
Yeah. So crazy.
This is Virginia Key, a barrier island which is home to Miami-Dade's water treatment plant, the Miami Seaquarium, and was the venue location for the Ultra Music Festival last year. Virginia Key is located right here, and just south of it is the next island we're going to, which is Key Biscayne.
It's in here where they do the tennis tournament?
Here's the old Miami Open down there.
The Miami Open, right?
Yeah, where we went.
Oh,
it's right there, you see it?
Wait, so this is Key Biscayne?
This is Key Biscayne. There's the lighthouse at the end.
Wow.
This is the island of Key Biscayne. The movie Scarface had a scene filmed here in a mansion which was owned by Richard Nixon, who also owned the property next door and used it as his winter White House during his time in office.
You want me to zoom in?
No, you can, just leave it zoomed out, it's fine.
Alright.
If you want to capture something, you can zoom in.
Joe, you're watching the group on the south side too?
Yeah, we're watching both of them. They're both coming west.
Yeah, they're taking the courthouse here.
What you see here are the tennis courts that used to be the home of the Miami Open from 1987 to 2018 until recently moving up north to a new venue in Miami Gardens. South Florida is truly a unique place to fly with its landmarks and gorgeous turquoise waters. In part 2, we'll get to explore more awesome locations and sites as we head back up northbound to Opa-locka.